All right, let's talk about job hunting today, because if you're applying for jobs online, you're not just trying to impress a person anymore. First, you've got to get past the robot. And today, we're going to show you exactly how to do that. Does this sound familiar? You spend hours, maybe even days, getting your resume just right. You find that dream job, you hit apply, and then nothing. Just crickets. It's like your application just disappeared into thin air. It is so frustrating, but I promise you, it is not just you. So here's what we're going to cover. First, we'll dive into what we call the resume black hole and meet the digital gatekeeper that's standing in your way. Then we'll introduce you to your new secret weapon, an AI co-pilot called Resync. We'll show you how it works, why it gives you a serious advantage, and how you can start getting the results you deserve, like today. Let's talk about this resume black hole. It's that sinking feeling, right? You send application after application out into the void, and you start to wonder, is it me? Am I doing something wrong? But what if I told you the problem isn't you at all? It's an invisible barrier you don't even know you're up against.
Look, let's get one thing straight. You have the skills. You have the experience. You are a fantastic candidate for these jobs. So if you're not the problem, what is? Well, the issue isn't with your qualifications. It's with the system you're trying to break through.
Okay, it's time to pull back the curtain and meet the real reason your resume so often goes completely unseen. See, before a real person, a hiring manager, a recruiter, ever lays eyes on your application, it has to pass a test set by a digital gatekeeper. And honestly, most resumes fail right here.
And that gatekeeper is called an Applicant Tracking System, or ATS for short. It's basically software that scans every single resume that comes in, looking for specific keywords and qualifications. It doesn't know how awesome you are, it doesn't care about your potential. If you don't have the exact right words in the right format, it just filters you out. Automatically.
And the reasons you get rejected can be so simple, it's maddening. You could be missing a few crucial keywords from the job description. Your formatting could be something the software just can't read. Or maybe the way you phrase your experience isn't optimized. The bottom line is, your amazing qualifications don't mean a thing if your resume can't speak the robot's language. So, how in the world do you beat a system like that? This is where everything changes. We're going to pivot from the problem to the solution. So let me introduce you to Resync, your very own AI co-pilot, designed specifically to get you past that digital gatekeeper.
The mission is simple. Beat the ATS, land more interviews, and Resync does this by instantly tailoring your resume for every single job you apply for. And we're not just talking about changing a word here or there. We're talking about a complete optimization to make sure you get noticed. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds complicated. But honestly, the process couldn't be easier. Let's just walk through exactly how Resync takes your current resume and turns it into an interview-getting machine in just a couple of clicks. It's really just 3 simple steps. 1, you upload your CV and you paste in the job description you're targeting. 2, Resync's AI instantly analyzes both documents, finding all the crucial keyword gaps and areas for improvement. And 3, you download a perfectly optimized CV that's ready to blow past the software and impress the recruiter. It's that fast. So, what does this actually do for you? What's the